Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we are super short on time and it's time to fix dinner. I have a little of this and a little of that, so guys, we're going to make a sheet pan meal tonight. Or in my case, a cake pan meal. Use what you got, guys. Okay, I just have a 9x13 pan. I have some parchment paper. Okay. I have about 3 potatoes that I have washed, cubed into, I don't know, inch and a quarter pieces. Just going to throw those in the bottom. Now guys, as always, I will write down what I do in the description box. But this is one of those meals for guys that it really honestly is not much of a recipe. Okay? If you didn't want to use potatoes, you could use zucchini. You could use turnips, you could use rutabaga, sweet potatoes, whatever you have. Carrots. I have potatoes. Okay. I have an onion that I have cut up, good sized chunks. Scatter that over top of the potatoes. Okay, I have some red and green bell peppers. Folks, this is probably about 1.5 peppers. And to be perfectly honest with you, I was canning peppers earlier and I had these left over. So I'm using them. It's about, I don't know, 1.5 peppers, 2 peppers. So whatever flavor you like, guys. Whatever works, okay. I'm spreading those out, okay. And the meat, folks, it's just a smoked sausage or a kielbasa. Whatever flavor you like. This one is pork, turkey, and beef. They make all beef, they make all turkey. So whatever you and yours like to eat. Okay. I happen to have 1.5 of the pieces left. Our family likes to just cut these up, guys, and eat them as a snack. It is what it is. It's a good snack. Okay, I'm cutting these in decent sized chunks, probably about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Okay, I put my potatoes on the bottom, folks, because it's going to take them longer to cook. And I wanted them to absorb the flavors of everything else. Okay, that didn't take long. Are you guys with me so far? Have you liked the video? Have you subscribed to the channel? If not, right now is the perfect time to do that. Hit that like button and subscribe. Share it with your friends. They may need a fast idea for dinner. Okay, I have Italian seasoning, folks. Just a light sprinkle. Always, folks, seasonings are to your flavor. Okay. I have garlic powder. You could use garlic salt. You could use onion salt, onion powder. Okay. Pepper. And I have sea salt. Just a dash, folks. We don't use a lot of salt in this house. If you like more salt, by all means, load it up. But the kielbasa, or smoked sausage, in this case, has salt in there. So I'm just making sure that they are separated. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to put these in there. I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes. I'm going to walk away, do what I need to do. And folks, in 45 minutes, we have a complete meal ready to go on the table. Alrighty, it's time to grab our dinner out. Oh wow, that is just how we like them, nice and crisp. You guys may not like them quite this brown, but that's your choice. This is exactly how we like them. So, I have my potatoes, my onions, kielbasa peppers. Folks, that to me is a perfect one dish meal. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, share it on social media. It helps push the YouTube algorithm up and helps me get my videos out. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.